Why does your scanner show the P0674 engine code? What does it mean? P0674 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder number 4, glow plug circuit. The P0674 engine code or indicate powertrain code specific to diesel vehicles, indicating that the engine's computer has detected an electrical malfunction at the glow plug for the 4th cylinder. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty glow plug. Damaged wiring or connectors. Faulty glow plug control module, blown fuse or faulty relay. Damaged glow plug bus bar. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Toyota, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.